What is up, guys? As you can see, I'm at Evolutionary Performance, one of the best shops in all of the country. My favorite shop. It's like a awesome local Mazda tuner shop where they just build badass cars. But I finally got hired at Evolutionary Performance, so now I can set you guys up with some dope parts and hook you guys up with all of the info and basically just bring you guys a lot better content. So if you guys have anything you want to see or anything you've been looking for specifically, be sure to give me a comment down below. But without further ado, welcome to Evolutionary Performance. As you guys can see, this shop is incredible. There's so many plans for content and so many videos coming up in the near future. It's honestly gonna be amazing working here because I'll be able to just bring you guys so many dope videos. But if you guys are looking for any parts or you're looking to get some help on your speed, if you want to contact Evolutionary Performance, just contact them on Facebook. I'll have all the links in the description. Or you can bring your car here in person, North Salt Lake, Utah. I'll have all the links and everything you need to know in the description below, so don't hesitate to contact us. But I am excited to see anyone here come visit me and check out this dope shop.